Taurus, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is the new moon in Gemini reading, and yeah, thank you so much for your liking, subscribing, and sharing, and thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, so many good vibes from me to you guys. And if you guys are wondering that which deck I'm using, so this is the Good Tarot deck I'm using. Okay, this is the deck. So let's start your reading. This is for the new moon in Gemini, for the Taurus. Taurus, okay. New moon in Gemini. Okay. Eight of Swords. So you are feeling a little bit stuck, or this is the self-imposed stuckness. Queen of Swords, Ten of Cups, World, okay. Six of Wands, Ace of Wands right in the heart of the spread, okay. Strength, which is Leo, Page of Wands, okay. Ace of Swords, Seven of Swords. Okay, under the deck we have Ten of Pentacles. So Taurus, I'm feeling that you are feeling a little bit stuck, or this must be your person. You can switch the roles, okay. But this is the self-imposed stuckness. You can do whatever you want, but you are feeling like, you are thinking like you cannot do anything, you cannot move even a muscle, okay. With the Queen of Swords, Ten of Cups, and the World card present here, telling me that definitely there is a person who loves you a lot, but you were very cold towards them. Because of your coldness, they have so much love for you. If this is you, Queen of Swords, I'm feeling this is your energy. You are very determined, very detached, cold, but there is something that makes you happy, and you want to have that new beginning. With this World card, this is new beginning, and also ending the old relation, old chapter, old cycle, yeah. So you want to end every old thing and you want to start the new things, yeah. This is the vibe I'm getting. So with the Six of Wands, Ace of Wands, and the Strength card, some of you are dealing with a Capricorn or a Leo, because this is Saturn, and Saturn rules Capricorn, okay. So this is Saturn. So I'm telling you that you are doing great work. You are moving forward towards your success, towards your happiness, yeah. So why are you feeling stuck? Because you are doing great, and new opportunities are also on your radar. Be strong and have that, accept those things, okay. Receive those blessings. With the Page of Wands, Ace of Swords, you are definitely new, because we have two aces here, and Seven of Swords. I'm feeling that there is a person in the mix. It must be a new like a three-person. I'm feeling like that the new person who wants to have that success with you, who wanna win you at any cost. They want to win you at any cost, okay. So there is another person who is younger than you, yeah, with the Page of Wands, and or some kind of news. I'm feeling that like this is a random person who will give you some kind of news, and because this is news. With the Ace of Swords, definitely truth, some kind of truth, and you will know about some kind of betrayal, and then your strictness will be over, yeah. I'm feeling like this, okay. What is this Eight of Swords for the Taurus, please? What is this Eight of Swords for the Taurus, please? High Priestess, you know it. Eight of Cups, King of Swords. Yeah, definitely this is your energy, very clear, very logical. So you are in your mindset right now, and you are totally detached from your emotions, but you are following the intuition. Yeah, which is great. So you know that you will find your emotional stability, you will find your truth by walking away from this position, from this condition. Okay, so just work on it. What is this world card here? What is this world card here for the Taurus, please? Empress. Wow. Okay, this is you, Taurus, Libra. King of Pentacles. Okay, Knight of Cups. Wow. Okay, so Taurus, yeah, definitely new beginnings are coming your way, because Empress is also new beginning with the, like, they are pregnant, like, so that's why they are, you will have new beginning, and you will have abundance, you will have stability, you will have love offers, definitely, because you have worked a lot, you have done your, work on yourself a lot. You become cold towards someone, you have cut those people out from your life. This is really tough to do. Yeah, this takes a lot of courage to do this kind of thing. So you have courage in you have that strength. Why is the Ace of Wands is here in the right in the heart of the spread for the Taurus, please? Page of Pentacles. Okay, Four of Swords, Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, this Ten of Pentacles wants to come out for you, Taurus. Okay, so definitely there is a offer coming your way, which is like very tangible, very you know, this seems to be a long-term partnership about, and but you are not rushing in that, the offer is coming and yes, no, you're not like that. You are taking your time with the Four of Swords. You are thinking, because you want a very stable life. You don't want to ruin this again with the Seven of Swords. Yeah, you don't want to be greedy, you want to be a very humble person, which is great. So definitely great things are coming your way. What is this Ace of Swords about? What is this Ace of Swords for the Taurus, please? Ace of Swords. Tower. Okay, Page of Cups. Ten of Swords. Okay, so Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords is a news, definitely, and it will it is a shocking news actually, because with this Tower you will know some kind of truth with the Ace of Swords present here, and then you will end the cycle totally, 100%, completely. Yeah, okay. So yeah, Taurus, definitely you're cutting out this person, you're saying them back off, don't come to me. This is the vibe I'm getting, and there is a new person who is coming your way, who can give you the stability, the love, the purity of emotions, and the best connection I'm feeling for you from the new person. So this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you, Taurus, and if it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. This is a great reading for you, so utilize this energy of the new moon in Gemini. So yeah guys, bye.